How much protein do I really need? The truth behind the hype. Protein is everywhere. But are you getting enough? From TikTok trends to gym bros and meal prep queens, protein is the star of the show ***. Protein chips, protein water, high-protein pasta, even protein coffee. It feels like everyone's trying to pack more into their diet. But is all that protein actually necessary? Or are we just falling for another health trend? To cut through the noise, we sat down with Melanie Brede ***, a senior nutritionist at the University of Virginia, to get the real answers. Whether you're a gym newbie, a lifelong vegetarian, or just wondering if that protein bar is doing anything, this Quanda is for you. Let's break it down. How much protein do you actually need? Forget what the supplement ads say. Your body's needs are way simpler than you think. According to Brede, the average healthy adult only needs about 0. 8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight Let's break that down. If you weigh 160 pounds about 73 kg that's just 58 grams of protein a day. That's about what you'd get from one good-sized burger and a handful of almonds. Pro tip: use your palm to estimate protein portions. A palm-sized portion of meat about 4-5 ounces or roughly 30-40 grams of protein. What about beans and nuts? Great choices, but you'll need twice the volume compared to animal-based protein to get the same amount. Still doable, just takes a little planning. Bottom line? Most people are already getting enough. Even if they're not counting every gram, what if you work out? Just because you sweat doesn't mean you need to slam a protein shake after every gym sesh. If you're doing light activities, like walking, cycling, yoga, or chasing your dog around, you probably don't need more protein than the average person. But there are exceptions. Endurance athletes. Like marathon runners, may need 1, 2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram of body weight. Strength athletes like bodybuilders, might need up to 2 grams per kilogram Still, this boost is usually temporary As your body adapts and becomes more efficient at using protein to build muscle, you may not need as much as you did at the beginning of your training. Also, when you start working out more, you tend to eat more, so your protein intake naturally goes up, even without tracking it. No need to chug a shake after every workout. Just listen to your body and fuel it with real food. Can you get enough protein on a plant-based diet? Going vegan? You won't wither away, there's plenty of protein on Team Plant. Good news, you absolutely can get enough protein without eating meat. Beans, lentils, tofu, nuts, and seeds, soy products, whole grains, yes, even bread and pasta, even veggies like broccoli, peppers, and carrots. Sneak in a little protein. The only catch? You'll probably need to eat a larger volume of food to meet your daily needs, especially if you're super active. That's because plant-based foods tend to be less calorie-dense. So you're not just managing protein, you're making sure you get enough energy overall. Pro tip: mix up your plant proteins. Combining foods like beans and rice ensures you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs. When does your body need more protein? If your body is building, recovering, or changing, your protein needs might shift too. There are key times in life when protein becomes a bigger priority. Pregnancy. Growing a whole human? You need more protein to support that. Aging. As we get older, we lose muscle mass. Eating small, steady doses of protein throughout the day. Helps preserve strength and mobility. Starting a new workout routine. Beginners building muscle for the first time may benefit from slightly more protein. But here's the twist. Asterisk asterisk timing matters. Asterisk Brede uses a wall-building analogy. If you're given all the bricks for a wall but only have 1 minute to build it, you'll struggle. Translation: asterisk. You can't dump 80 grams of protein into one meal and expect your body to use it efficiently. Asterisk. Instead, aim for asterisk protein at every meal. Asterisk. Add asterisk high-protein snacks. Asterisk if needed. Spread it out and let your body work with what it can actually use. Should you use protein supplements? Are protein bars the secret to gains, or just glorified candy bars? Asterisk. The shelves are packed with protein shakes, powders, and bars. They're convenient. They're trendy. And yes, they can help. Most are made from whey from milk, soy protein pea protein So they come from real food. And if you're running late, on the go, or need an easy post-workout refuel, they're fine in moderation. And it's a big but, they're not better than real food A protein bar might get you 20 grams of protein, but it can't deliver the vitamins, minerals, fiber, or overall nutritional benefits of, say, eggs and toast or a lentil soup Brede puts it simply: I'm always going to focus on a food-first approach. So sure, enjoy that shake when life gets hectic. But don't forget about what your plate can do. A protein isn't complicated, but we love to overthink it. We get it. Protein is everywhere, and the advice can feel overwhelming. But here's the takeaway. Most of us are already getting enough Working out? You might need more, but it's not a green light to overdo it. Plant-based diets are totally protein-friendly Protein timing matters just as much as total Supplements are cool, but whole food is king. You don't need to stress, obsess, or over-supplement. You just need to eat with intention and a little knowledge. If this helped clear things up, do your thing. Like this video comment if you learned something new or have questions. Share it with your gym buddy, vegan friend, or snack-obsessed sibling. Subscribe for more real talk health tips. No gimmicks, no BS, just facts. Stay smart, stay healthy, and remember, you've got this, one meal at a time. Let me know if you want this formatted with timestamps, on-screen caption ideas, or I can help break it down into a full short-form video script too.